Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan SEL Premium R-Line. Top of the line for the Tiguan. This one here, stickers, wow, only 40,850. That's actually a lot less than I thought it would be. Platinum gray exterior over storm gray interior. Really nice spec on this example. Of course, powered by the 2.0 turbo. I mean, look at this spec. Really nice interior. I'm a sucker for light colored interiors, what can I say? Take a look at that 2.0. Oh. Lightsaber. Explain the rattle. Not a bad motor at all. Love the headlights too on this model. So I think we have 2 or 3 of these top of the line ones. Frameless rearview mirror. Warnings. No, go back. Thank you. Fender audio. Not bad. Go ahead and put it in drive. We'll be driving it in normal mode. It's a bunch of different modes as well. You have snow mode, road mode is what I'll say, off-road, and off-road custom. We'll do off-road because that adds in hill descent control. There we go. Car's descending the hill on its own. And we'll go back into normal. From normal, you press the center. Press the center. You have Eco, Normal, Sport, and Custom. I like normal. Sport just makes the throttle way too touchy for my like, actually. Bugger. Oh yeah, steering's definitely heavier too. Throttle's very touchy. We'll do normal drive. Actually, you know what? Why don't we do Eco? We'll start in Eco, and then we'll go to Sport. Oh, throttle response definitely slowed down. It still gets up and goes, but throttle response is definitely lessened. I'll go into normal. The bump into the puddle. 8-speed torque converter automatic, same that's found in your Arteon, Atlas. And I think the normal Jetta uses this one. GLI uses DSG, but I think the normal one uses this transmission. Unless you opt for the manual in the S or the R line, which you should always do. I will put it into sport, heavier steering, transmission tuning changes, and then throttle response is definitely a lot more sensitive to throttle input. Gets me every time. I mean, you come out of a GTI, and this throttle's even more touchy than the GTI. Auto start stop engaging. And now we'll go. You'll see sport mode holds the gear way up. Shift. Thank you. Back into normal. You can either press the buttons up here, or if you just keep pressing it, it will scroll through. I like using that because I don't have to look and put my finger exactly where it needs to be, whereas I can just keep pressing until I get what I want. Works for me. Do have hill start assist. Put on the brake, it will hold you. Actually, it's holding itself in place with the throttle. Yeah, it actually just continues to hold itself. Obviously, you don't want to sit there and have it keep using the transmission to hold itself. Eventually you'll burn out your torque converter. That's not fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I almost lost this. And I'll see you all in the next video.